tech is a brush system with interchangeable heads. The bristles don't get stains from food, and the built-in scraper takes care of burnt-on mess. The set even includes a sponge head for delicate dishes. For $31, you just swap out the heads instead of buying a whole new brush every few months. OXO released a pineapple corer that works like a corkscrew, only for fruit. Twist it into the pineapple and you'll get perfect rings while the core stays on the blade. Depth markings keep you from punching through the bottom. For $23, you get a tool that turns pineapple into art. The Ninja Creamy flips the whole idea of an ice cream maker. First, you freeze your base in the freezer. Then, the Creamy transforms that block of ice into silky smooth ice cream. Its creamerizer paddle shaves off micro layers, and there are 7 programs for everything from sorbet to milkshakes. The price is $230. Now, tell me in the comments, what's the wildest ice cream flavor you'd try making? The Starfrit Rotato Express peels potatoes and other vegetables at the push of a button. Stick the potato on the holder, press the button, and the peel comes off in a spiral. It works with 15 types of fruits and veggies. The price for all that time saved is $26. Tweezy from Joseph is a 2-in-1 tool. On one side, you'll find tweezers for pulling strawberry stems. On the other, a cherry pitter. It works cleanly without juice splattering across the kitchen. For $14, it's a real helper for making preserves. Easy Off is a jar opener that's mounted under a cabinet. You slide the jar into its V-shaped grip, the lid stays in place, and you twist the jar off with one hand. Perfect for anyone with arthritis or just weaker hands. The price is $15, less than a session with a massage therapist. Blazing Thor is an aluminium defrosting tray that works without electricity. Just place frozen meat on it and the aluminium pulls out the cold, replacing it with room temperature heat. It comes in 35 and 38 centimeter sizes, and the price is $35. Eurolux created a citrus juicer with a smart motor. It consumes only 120 watts, but delivers the power of a 160-watt motor. One universal cone works for every fruit size, from lime to grapefruit. The filter catches the seeds, and you get twice as much juice. Fresh juice every morning for $70. Juicy Plus made a spice organizer that slides out and spins a full 360 degrees. It has 3 tiers, and each shelf can be adjusted to fit jars up to 7 centimeters in diameter. Suction cups lock it firmly in place inside the cabinet, and the price is $21. The Tigwin Apple Peeler and Corer has 3 modes. The first does it all. It peels, cores, and slices into a spiral. The second only peels, no slicing. The third cores and slices without peeling. The stainless steel blades with chrome stay sharp for years, and the polymer handle is comfortable to grip. The price is $20. Sperkel is a revolutionary carbonating system with no CO2 tanks. Instead, it uses special carbonation sachets. The new version works 33% faster, and you can choose from 13 levels, from lightly sparkling to super fizzy. The upgraded seals prevent leaks. It comes with a 750ml bottle and 10 sachets. The price is $158. Can be cooked anywhere, air fryer, oven or skillet. Fill them with anything from cheese to Nutella with banana. The price is $25. And what wild filling combos would you try? Share your kitchen experiments in the comments. SNTD came up with rolling vegetable baskets that rotate 360 degrees and slide out from under the table. Their mesh design lets produce breathe and ripen naturally. The size is 33 by 33 by 89 centimeters, and the price for this mobile pantry is $76. Nostalgia put together a 3-in-1 breakfast station, a coffee maker, a toaster, and a griddle, all in one. Brew 4 cups of coffee, fry up eggs and bacon, and toast bread. Everything at once. The price for a whole kitchen packed into one appliance is $100. Here we see an electric French fry cutter. No more pressing potatoes by hand. It comes with 2 blade sizes for thick or thin fries. The controls are simple: forward, reverse, and circular mode. It's available for $100. Barsis 360 is your own robotic bartender at home. It mixes cocktails in 10 to 30 seconds, with hundreds of recipes in the app. The insulated compartments keep ingredients chilled for up to 8 hours without ice. The cost is $375, but hey, it's like having your own bartender. And if you like these high-tech kitchen solutions, make sure to subscribe to TechZone. We're always finding the coolest gadgets. Artewo made a plastic wrap dispenser with a safe cutter. The blade slides both ways for an even cut, and your fingers stay safe. There's a magnet on the bottom so you can stick it to the fridge. It works with plastic wrap, foil, parchment, or any roll up to 31 centimeters. The case is made of ABS plastic, and the price is $23. Hanrose put together a nut milk maker with 8 stainless steel blades. The delayed start timer runs from 6 to 12 hours, so you can wake up to fresh milk. It keeps the milk warm for 2 hours after making it, and cleans itself in just 5 minutes. The price is $100. The Handy Pan is a frying pan with a built-in strainer. Press the button on the handle and the side drain opens. Cook pasta, drain the water, and you're done. No extra pot needed. It has a ceramic coating and a stainless steel base for even heating. The price for this clever product is $40. Vixino made a vacuum sealer the size of a pepper grinder. It runs for 6 hours on a charge, and it has 65 kilopascals of power for sealing bags in just 5 seconds. The reusable bags are safe for the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, and food lasts up to 5 times longer. The price is $34. Keystone made a smart toaster with a 75-degree touchscreen, so you can adjust it while standing comfortably. The Bread ID feature recognizes the type of bread and sets the time automatically. You can even save your favorite settings by holding a button for 3 seconds. The price is $60. RoboSeal is a vacuum sealer made for mason jars. It works with all sizes, from 240 to 950 milliliters. One press and the jar is sealed. It comes with 10 BPA-free lids, and food stays fresh longer. The price is $30. The Priority Chef Potato Ricer has a 425-gram basket and makes mashed potatoes restaurant smooth. The 3mm holes guarantee 0 lumps. Long silicone handles give great leverage. It also works on sweet potatoes, carrots, and you can even use it to make baby food. You can get this potato ricer for $23. Team at Yum Asia created the Panda rice cooker with integrated artificial intelligence. Fuzzy logic isn't just a buzzword, but an actual processor that figures out the cooking process for you. With 7 phases, a 5-layer ninja ceramic bowl, and the ability to program it a day in advance, it's like having your own personal rice chef. The price is $115. Devivi made an electric cheese grater with a built-in container. As soon as you grate, the cheese drops straight into the box, which also doubles as storage for the attachments. The loading slot is 92mm wide, so even a whole block of Parmesan fits right in. The price is $52, and you'll never struggle with a manual grater again. Gramercy released a mandolin slicer made with Japanese steel, meaning the blade's sharp like a katana. Turn the dial to switch modes, slices, cubes, or julienne. Thickness ranges from paper thin to 9mm. Protective gloves are included so your fingers stay safe. It can be yours for $43.